Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is Practical Approximate K-Nearest Neighbor Query with Location and Query Privacy. This is our project abstract. Spatial queries possesses a serious threat to user location privacy because the location of a query may reveal sensitive information about the mobile user. In mobile communication, spatial queries pose a serious threat which reveals sensitive information about the mobile user. In this paper, we study approximate k nearest neighbor queries where the mobile user queries the location-based service provider about approximate k nearest point of interest on the bias of his current location. We propose a basic solution and generic solution for mobile user to preserve his location and query privacy in approximate KNN queries. The proposed solution are mainly built on the Payless public key crypto system and can provide both location and query privacy. To preserve query privacy, our basic solution allows the mobile user to retrieve one type of POIs, for example, approximate k nearest car parks, without revealing to the LBPS provider what type of point is retrieved. Our generic solution can apply to multiple discrete type of attribute of private location based queries. Compared with existing solution for KNN queries with location privacy, our solution is more efficient. Experiments have shown that our solution is practical for KNN queries. In this paper, we study approximate k nearest neighbor queries where the mobile user queries the location based services provider about approximate k nearest points of interest on basis of his current location. In general, the mobile user needs to submit his location to the LBPS provider, which then find out and return to the user k nearest POIs by comparing the distances between the mobile users location and POIs nearby. This reveals the mobile user's location to the LBPS provider. There have been numerous techniques that can provide a certain degree of location privacy. This is our project flow. First, we will be using a server. Next, we will be uploading a dataset in which we are using a dataset of London. Then we need to pre-process a dataset which is used to obtain a true information about the dataset. Next, we are establishing LBBS connection. LBBS connection is a location-based service connection. Next, RSA algorithm. RSA algorithm is used to encrypt and decrypt the data, which is used for a query privacy. Then query processing. In this query processing, we will be obtaining a POI system on the basis of the query which has been given by the user. Let's see our project output. For that, just right click on the home file where you will be getting a run file. Just click on it. This is our home page and where we will be getting our project title, K nearest neighbor queries with location and query privacy. Let's start. Next page is data loading. In this, we need to load our dataset. For that, just select our dataset. I have kept my dataset in a desktop in a KNN folder. This is my dataset knn.txt. Just open. After that, load. Dataset loaded successfully. Just click on OK. The loaded dataset will be displayed in our page. Next, in data pre-processing. In pre-processing, just click on pre-processing for pre-process of data to get a true information. Pre-process successfully. Click on OK. View. This is our pre-processed data and true information will be detected. OK. LBPS connection. LBPS connection is a location-based service. For a location-based service, we should need a base station connection. So that first establish our base station connection. Click on base station connection. In this connection established, click OK. Where next our process is LBPS provider. After clicking LBPS provider, we will be getting a pop-up box like loaded LBPS information. In this we need to load our dataset so that LBPS location-based service can process our data according to our dataset. Then click on OK. In this query processing, we need to apply a query which is on our data set, like any locations. I have been giving a location which is been in my data set. This is my one of my location. Then click go. In this query processing, we will be getting a query which is been given in the last page. In this, we need to encrypt our data. Because of encryption, we can maintain our privacy, so that query privacy and location privacy can be maintained in a perfect manner. Just encrypt. Query has been encrypted. Click OK. This is our encrypted query. Okay. Then we need to fetch our POI, which is our main focus on our project. To fetch our POI as corresponds to the location. Fetching my POI. This is my POI information as corresponds to my location. In this location, my POI is Bank of England Museum. These are all the datas which is been output for my project as a POI system. Thank you.